Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the Sports Fire application to your Firestick or Android TV. That's an amazing app that you can use to watch live TV from all over the world totally for free, including the sports channels, of course. They got channels from US, UK, Canada, Europe, Australia, and other regions of the world as well. I just had to blur out my screen because YouTube doesn't allow me to show you the exact channels available in the app. But in your case, of course, it's not going to be blurry. So now, without any further ado, let me show you how to get that app to your device. So first of all, you'll have to get an app called Downloader. You can actually get it for free from the official Amazon App Store. So just go to search on your device and start typing Downloader in the search bar. Now, as you can see, Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom, so let's click on it. And that's the app which you need to get to your device. But after you get Downloader, it's not over yet. We still have to set it up. So in order to set up Downloader, we'll go to Settings. Let's do it right now. Click on that button with the gear icon, then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. We open it, and from here we'll have to enable developer options on your device. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Sticks, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case, don't worry, it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times, and do it fast, so let's do it. As you can see, now at the bottom for me it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to enable ADB debugging, then we gotta go to install unknown apps. From here, locate downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally, let's go to the list of apps on your Fire Stick. There it is, open it. And here you'll find the loader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. But before actually using the loader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say we'll connect to Canada right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now finally, let's use Downloader safely. So let's go and open Downloader. Here on the left side menu, make sure to click on Home and not on Browser. Here on the left side menu, make sure to click on Home and not on Browser. And after that, in that search bar, we'll need to enter a code, which is going to be 2, 8, 9, 0, and 7. So once again, the code is 28907. Make sure to enter it exactly as you see and do not make any mistakes, because obviously if you make a mistake, then the code is not going to work. After that, you have to click on Go, and while the website is loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you would get even more content about Firesticks, as well as please hit the like button below this video. It truly helps me a lot, and this way I'll be able to create even more videos for you. And now, after the website opened, we just scroll down a bit until we see that list of categories. And from here we have to click on Sports. And then a huge list of apps is going to open up, which we have to scroll down until we see the Sports Flyer application. Click on it, and then a new web page is going to open, which you have to scroll down until you see the download button. Click on it, and now in a couple of moments the download is going to start. Usually it doesn't take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. Then click on Install and wait until Sportsfire gets installed to your Firestick or Android TV device. And after that, don't click on Open yet. Instead, press on Done because this way we'll be able to delete the installation files as we don't need them anymore on our device. So click on Delete and then delete once again. And now, if you go to the list of apps on your device and scroll down to the bottom, here you'll find Sportsfire application which we just downloaded. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble. Enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.